Hey everyone, this is Sensei Luke from Code Ninjas Barry. I'm here to walk you through our new Google Classroom and how we're going to be using it to sort of better collect all of our different Code at Home stuff for you. So once you have the link, you'll be taken to this page, the Code Ninjas Barry at Home Coding Google Classroom, and we have three main tabs here at the top. You've got Stream, which is where we have a chronological list of all sorts of materials that we give you, such as anytime there's instructions for a project, or if we have general announcements, they'll show up here as well. On our second tab, Classwork, we have a list to all of these different materials and projects that you can be doing. They're sorted here on the left as well by the type of project they are. And if you click on any of these, it'll pop open a list of the links and files that are in there. And it has sort of all the instructions. If you want to focus on just a specific game, you can click this View Assignment, and it'll take you to the page for this assignment itself. Anytime there are any links built into our instructions, they're all here at the bottom, sort of separated out, so if you need to find the link for a project that you're working on, they're all here at the bottom for you, organized and ready to go. Whenever you finish a project, if it's a Scratch project, you still have to submit it to our Code Ninjas Barry Scratch Studio as normal, but if it's another type, you can hit this button here in the top right, Add or Create, and then if you hit Link, you can fill in the website address or the URL that your project is finished, and then this Add Link button here will light up, and you can submit that project. And then once you're finished and happy with it, you can hit Mark as Done, and we'll be able to grade that for you. But back on our main page, there's also this People's tab. It's really just useful to see who's in the Code Ninjas Barry Google Classroom with us. Finally, the last two things you should know about is here on the drop-down on the top left, we have access to a to-do list, so this is really easy to see what you're still working on and what you've already finished. I guess I haven't done any homework myself or any projects myself. And the last thing that's very important is if you hit this little drop down and hit your Google Calendar, open that up, you should now have access to the other calendars, the Code Ninjas Barry at Home Coding calendar. So these are all of the different things that are popping up here. And this is great because anytime you want to sign up for a session, you can click on that session that's coming up and it'll give you all the information you need. So for this one, the Codathon Virtual Dojo, it has a must sign up in the description, and we have right here a link where you can go sign up for that. And if there's a Zoom meeting for the call, it also has all the information on the Zoom meeting for you too. So that's where you need to be anytime you need to see what upcoming events we're doing. So back on the Google Classroom. That should be enough to get you guys through everything you need. So I hope this tells you everything you need.